welcome to Samaraland. So this is my alien makeup tutorial. So the first thing I did was I primed and prepped my face. I put on all my foundation and blocked out my eyebrows. Then I took that white pencil that I love, that's NYX Milk Pencil, and you can see I put it all over my eye area, and now I am dusting over all the white with NYX Diamond Dust. Now I'm taking some blue shadow from the Morphe palette, number 12P, and I'm using that e.l.f. concealer brush that I love to use as a shadow brush. And I am making this like weird V shape up there. So I didn't go through all the explanation of blocking out the eyebrows because I've done that before and it's boring seeing something the same over and over again. So yeah, I'm taking the blue shadow, which is the darkest blue shadow in the palette, and going under my eyes, also up onto my temples. Just shading in there. And now I'm going to shade a little bit into my cheekbones. So I'm creating this kind of all over look. Now I'm going to take this green shadow and go in right into the middle of my eye, around the bottom. You know, you can do this kind of however you want. Just, you know, be fanciful and artistic. It's like painting. It's like making a painting on your face. So I'm going up into the temples, around, and just kind of filling in anywhere where I put the blue. Up in the temples, around the eyes. Now I'm taking the purple shadow and I'm going into right by my brow and into the side of my nose. This is a cool technique because it gives a lot of shape and interesting contour to the face. So I'm just going down a little bit on my nose and into the corners. Now I'm going to pop a little purple out on the outside, just for fun. Kind of creating this like rainbow-ish effect. And I'm also going to take the purple and go underneath where I put the blue on my cheekbones. Now I'm taking an angle brush, going back with the purple, and going underneath my eyes, almost into the corner, but not quite. Just to give my eyes some more definition. Yes, pretty purple eyeshadow. I love purple eyeshadow. If you know me, you know I love purple eyeshadow. Okay, now I'm taking this loose shadow in a shade called Virgin. Ooh. And I'm putting it over into the corners of my eyes. It's very shimmery. And now I'm going back with a dark green shadow. Oh no, actually that's the blue shadow. Right, and I'm making a little V between my eyebrows. I'm making a blue alien unibrow. I'm pulling it all the way up onto my forehead. There is my alien Frida Kahlo. A tribute. And I'm just bringing it down with that. We'll go back in with something else and make it more precise, but now I'm just kind of shading it in with the angle brush to give it some more depth on my alien forehead. Now I'm taking the green shadow and I'm gonna do my eyebrow. So I blocked out kind of half my eyebrow. So I'm using the front part of my eyebrow and I'm just bringing it up right underneath where I put my blue unibrow. To kind of give that crazy outer space, otherworldly look. I don't know what it is about blocking out your eyebrows that makes you look fantasy-like, but it just does. Okay, and I'm taking some of the diamond dust, the NYX diamond dust, and going under the brow to give more definition to the brow bone. Or the faux brow bone, as it were. Now I'm taking a L'Oreal Intense Black Pencil, which is a really great pencil if you want a really, really dark black, and lining the top of my eyes and underneath my eyes. Not all the way into the corner, but just again for more definition. And now I'm taking my e.l.f. gel eyeliner and a very thin brush, and I'm gonna do this very extreme cat eye. I'm just pulling it out and up towards my eyebrow. And, you know, go slow. This video is obviously sped up. It took me way longer than this to do this look. So, you know, don't be discouraged. It's fun, and have fun. Makeup is fun. You should be having fun. If you're not having fun, stop doing it. That should go for anything in your life. If you're not having fun, stop doing it. Unless it's work. Sorry. So yeah, I'm taking, I kind of go back and forth between the gel eyeliner and the pencil. Kind of get that dark black on there and just pull it out with the brush and a little bit more of the gel eyeliner. Just so I can have that very, very dark and extreme cat eye. Now I'm taking a very, very thin Essence eyeliner, which is a great thin eyeliner. It's like $3 and it's amazing. It's called Essence, and it has a super, super thin tip, and it's great for doing those inside corners. So I'm doing just a exaggerated inside corner. Now I'm going back with more of the color and just filling in a little bit on my forehead, you know, and you can use whatever colors you want, but I'm doing this kind of blue, green, purple palette. Just going back in to give a little bit more color, a little more depth. Now I took my NYX glitter primer and I'm putting it in all the places that I want glitter. Doing my eyebrows. So I put the NYX glitter primer on my eyebrow, and then I take a tissue, obviously, and put the glitter on my brow. Now I am using a NYX Studio Liquid Liner in Extreme Blue, and I'm going over my unibrow and that line that I made on my forehead to make it look more intense. And now I'm going back in with some blue glitter, and I'm going to stick it, I'm using the eyeliner actually as a adhesive. And now I'm using the NYX glitter in number 6 and putting it on my lids. So if all else fails, just add more glitter. You really can't go wrong. And I'm just kind of tapping it onto my brow bones to get a really super, super shiny effect. Adding lashes, but of course. And jewels. How I love jewels. These jewels I got, some of them are actually Swarovski crystals, but the other ones are from the scrapbooking department at Michael's. They stick right on. Adding some eyeliner, some mascara. And now I am using the NYX eyeliner, actually, in Sapphire, and lining my lips. And then I'm going to fill that in with NYX Cosmic Metals Lip Cream in Dark Nebula. And there I am. Alien. Bye-bye.